Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an account in Goodbudget. In Goodbudget, managing personal finances can be overwhelming, especially when you have multiple expenses, bills and saving goals. And Goodbudget is a digital envelope budgeting app designed to simplify money management. So first, open any of the web browser you prefer, and at the top there's an address bar. Type on goodbudget.com and enter it. Over here, what you can do is click onto the sign up in the top right corner, and under this interface of a Goodbudget, we can find there's an option for the email and the password. Simply type down an email and also create a password, and make sure your password is strong enough. And also select the plan. If you want a premium, we can click onto this and proceed, or if you want a free plan, select to the small icon here and select to this agree to the term and use. Select to this I'm not a robot and select to this I'm not a robot icon here and select to this get started. And that is it. This is how you can create an account in Goodbudget. Creating an account in Goodbudget is straightforward and sets the foundation for better financial control. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.